If you are seeing orange lines in the iPhone battery settings and your iPhone is charging slowly, then here's what's going on and how to fix it. So orange bar in the battery level chart indicates low power mode was turned on during that time. As you can see, I do not have any orange line available because I never turn on low power mode. Low power mode reduces background activity and throttles performance to extend battery life. It may cause slower charging, reduced screen brightness, slower app performances. So basically all you have to do is go to the battery and toggle off the low power mode first of all. And once you toggle off, this allows full charging speed and performances. If your iPhone is overheating, charging speed slows to protect the battery as well. Charge in a cool place and remove the case if needed. Then, lastly, all you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes background processes causes lag. All you have to do is hold down the power plus volume down button until the slide to power off appears. And once slide to power off appears, light it and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back on. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.